Who you want, who you like, baby, tell me who you loving. Last time I checked, it was me, but you...
What's going on, Bella Gang? It's your girl, Lover Natural, back at it again with another video. No, this is not a girl talk. This video is actually different from any other video I have on my channel. You see the aesthetic, you see what's going on, and by the title, you already guessed it. Yes, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make the perfect hot chocolate. Now, you're probably like, girl, it's so easy to make hot chocolate. But not everybody know how to make hot chocolate. Some people's hot chocolate be watery as fuck, okay? Some people's hot chocolate be like too sweet. But I got the just right for every taste bud there is. Even if you're a picky eater, pinky. That's my niece. Picky drinker. You're not gonna be pinky. You're not gonna be picky with this drink. I don't know what's wrong with me today. But anyways, guys, so before we get into this video about how to make the perfect hot chocolate, you need the right ingredients, sis. Okay? So before you even get into this hot chocolate, let me just tell you right now what you're gonna need. You're gonna need, this is my favorite brand of hot chocolate. Don't get the 99-cent brand and then blame me when it don't taste right. You gotta get the good brand. Swiss Miss, I like the Swiss Miss with the marshmallow. They use real milk, so they say, quote unquote, I don't know. But this tastes really, really good and really rich. Sorry, I had a call. I hate when people call me when I'm doing videos. Like, this is a really good video. Anyways, so you're going to need the Swiss Miss, the good brand. If you get the off brand, it's going to taste off. Okay? Like, off. So you're going to get the Swiss Miss. And then you want to get you some marshmallows. Like, hot chocolate won't be hot chocolate without marshmallows. The only thing I'm missing is whipped cream. But I know some of you probably don't even like whipped cream. I like whipped cream, but I just ran out. So I'm trying to make an excuse. But... I don't have no more whipped cream, whatever. But it's still going to be the best hot chocolate ever. But definitely you want whipped cream. Whipped cream is really good. And I like to put marshmallows and then the whipped cream. But in this video, I'm just going to use the marshmallows. You got to improvise. And then you can have a creamy hot chocolate without some milk. Girl, got milk? Get you some milk. I use the Horizon organic milk. You know, they say it's organic. I love this milk because it says no added hormones, no antibiotics, no GMO, no toxic pesticides, pasture-raised cows, which means that they let the cows roam around town. You know what I'm saying? They don't keep them in cages, so they say. But, yeah, so these are all the ingredients that you need. And also, last but not least, you're going to need... You see all of that? I was gonna say, you see all of that smoke. You see all of that steam coming out this mystery cup? Well, I boiled some water and I put it in this cup because we're gonna be putting some water in here. I didn't want to take this video and put it in the kitchen and so you guys could see the pasta and stuff like that. No, I just wanted to get to the point and do everything right here while I'm talking to you. So without further ado, I'm not gonna pause this video. We're gonna get right into this video. Okay, so to make the perfect hot chocolate, this is exactly what you do. Get you a cup. Oh yeah, by the way, there's no excuse to make this hot chocolate because I got everything from Dollar Tree, including these ornaments, including this reindeer hat. As you guys know, I freaking love Dollar Tree because Dollar Tree will have you in a Christmas spirit. If you don't got no budget, it's fine. Everything's $1. Like, you could feel rich in the store because everything's $1. I love going to the stores where you don't have to look at the price because everything's the same. Okay, and I got this this Santa Claus mug that says ho ho ho. You know what I'm saying? I ain't no ho or nothing, but I had to get this. It said ho ho. It's so cute. Oh. It's so cute. And look, as you can see, it's so cute. You got the reindeer. I got a reindeer. Like, you know, comment below if you like this aesthetic. But anyways, yes, you definitely want to get you a nice mug. Don't put this in a plastic cup or anything where it can burn your fingers. Okay? So get you a mug like this and let's begin. First you want to do is open the box. Duh. Don't mind my niece. I don't know. She thinks everything I say is funny. I don't understand. Okay, and the old me, before I used to know how to do hot chocolate really good, I used to take like 2 packets. Comment below if you did the same thing. You took 2 packets and you fill it in, you know, you fill it up with water and you drink it and it still tastes a little watery. Don't do that. All you need is 1 packet, guys. Just 1 packet. So put the other one away. It's diabetic. It's too much sugar. So 1 is good for you. Okay? Then I'll just shake it on up. But before we even open this, we're going to pour our milk into the mug. Now, I'm not too good with the measurements. I don't know what measurements I do, but just know that I'm filling up the mug with this much milk this much milk and then the rest water. So yeah, that's what I finna do right now. Stand up so you guys can see. Okay, so you won't see it, so you can see for yourself. I'm not doing anything special. And comment below after you follow these instructions. How did your hot chocolate taste? Is it the best you ever had? Because seriously, like, I gave my mother this hot chocolate and she liked it. Right, Mom? Yes. Say it louder so they can hear you. Yes. And I didn't pay her to say that, okay? I ain't paying her to say that. We keep it real over here. I don't know what's going on with your family, but we keep it real over here. She would have told me. So, now that we got the milk in the cup, you see that? You see the milk in the cup? Now, our boiling hot water. Be very careful. If you're a little girl, have your mom help you, okay? Because I don't want nobody burning off of me. Next you know it, lawsuit. So, look. Okay, hot water. Just, oh, wait, I'm sorry. Before the hot water, you want to pour all the contents of the hot cocoa mix into the milk, and then we're going to mix it together. Don't skip this step because this allows the hot chocolate to be very rich and creamy. Okay?
There's also in the
see?
The hot chocolate powder, there's mini
it's mini marshmallows, yep. But you know I can't get enough of marshmallows, so I have to add some more at the end. But you see, it looks like this. Just keep mixing it up, mixing it up. Mixing it up. I don't want to pour this. This is some ghetto-ness. I wish I could show you guys better, but I don't know. Just mix it up really well. So it has to look like chocolate milk almost, okay? Mix it up. Don't move the baby. You're moving the thing. Mix it on up. All right, now that we mix it up, we're going to pour the hot water into our cup, okay? Fill it up, fill it up. And stop right here. This is perfect. Now, keep stirring. You want to make sure that the whole hot cocoa mix dissolves into the milk and the water, because this is what's gonna make this is just the secret. This is the secret ingredient. It's nothing special that I'm doing. It's just that the measurements. You have to be really good with the measurements. Put a little bit of milk and fill the rest up with hot water. And also, I love the way I do my hot chocolate because, you know, I don't know about you guys, but I hate drinking hot things. I hate burning my mouth. So, if you use this method, when you're drinking your hot chocolate, you could drink it right away. It won't burn your tongue because the milk balances out the heat. So, you know, this ain't science or nothing, but it just works. Like, you could drink it immediately. So, look, see? It looks so good. Looks so good. Now, the final thing is marshmallows. I'm so depressed that I don't have whipped cream because yesterday I wanted to be go crazy and give everybody hot chocolate, and I put a bunch of whipped cream on everybody's cup, and now there's no more whipped cream. I went to CVS to get whipped cream. They didn't have it. What? Dollar Tree didn't have it. Like, I guess everybody's making hot chocolate right now. I don't know. But, yeah.
See that house behind you?
I can't really open this. Hold on for a second, okay? And now we're gonna pour in some marshmallows. If you're not a marshmallow person, then I can't trust you. Okay, marshmallows are so good. Okay, now I'm gonna put the marshmallows.
Can I say something?
What happened?
I do not like marshmallows or whipped cream.
Really? But I gave you whipped cream and you ate marshmallows yesterday.
I don't know.
But maybe because the way I made it, you liked it?
Yeah.
Okay. And then, look. And then, you are done. I left this spoon in here just in case you like to sip your hot chocolate. I don't know. But
you should have put, like, a candy cane in it.
Yeah, I should have got a candy cane, but I don't want to take it from the Christmas tree because that's been there since last year. But, and there you have it, guys. That's the perfect hot chocolate. I'm going to take a sip. Because, you know, I got to do, you know when you watch Food Network and then after they cook their food, they eat it and they be like, oh my God, so good. But this is really good. Oh, it fell. My shoulder fell. You see, right away you can drink it. When you make it my way, right away you can drink it. You don't have to wait. It's so good. It's so refreshing.
Went all the way over here.
comment below if you guys like this video. That's the end of this tutorial on how to make the perfect hot chocolate. Comment below if you guys follow my steps and and tell me, is this not the best hot chocolate you ever had? Okay? What? Alright, so I'm going to end the video here because I know you guys don't want to just see me drink this whole thing. But so good. Until next time, guys. Love you guys. You want to say bye?
Bye-bye.
Alright, guys.